Your first 50 recordings will sound bad, and that is okay. See, nobody wakes up and becomes perfect. From voiceover artists to podcasters to radio presenters, nobody just woke up and had the perfect voice. You know, people train themselves to have this perfect voice that you think. Please, your voice is a muscle. Muscle do not just wake up and just change to six-pack all immediately. The more you record, the more your mouth aligns, the more your breath improves, your confidence grows. See, most people, they quit at number 10. But professional, people that know that they want to take the bull by the horn, they stop and continue. They don't stop. They continue till 50 and above. So if your voice sounds somehow, well, congratulations. It's just exactly how it should be. You cannot start now with your first 10 recordings and you're expecting to sound like Vinney Oxygen. Yes, I'm gonna use myself. Yes, so my country people, this is now Audio Active Wave with Vinney Oxygen. And over here, we preach laziness, audio content creation, and faceless content. If you feel talk, you feel create anything. Today, I wanna encourage you. Because I know some of you they say, hey, the thing I recorded is not sounding well. Well, it is okay. It is okay. You are exactly where I want you to be. Yes. See, you need to train your voice. You need to train your ears so that you know exactly how and when to improve. Keep practicing that script. Confidence grows. You don't just wake up and see it that, oh, I'm already perfect. Oh, my voice already sounds so good. I'm already professional at this. No. Well, the thing is, sometimes you think, this is my voice. It not sound well. You are lazy, broke, and proud. Relax yourself. You just have an untrained ear. Do you get? And a new muscle you are developing, which is your voice. So the more you practice, the more you consciously or subconsciously train your voice and your ears to understand that, okay, when there's an improvement, let me know. When there's something that maybe a digression, let me know. So don't ever think your voice is awkward. Don't think, I beg, make I free this thing, Jare. My voice, they sound like cockroach. You will know you are lazy, broken, proud. But upon those still, relax. Your voice is not as bad as you think of it. That's why when I have some people send me voiceovers, Vinney, please can you help us review this voiceover? I'm just starting out. I'm like, well, this is not bad. This is good. And the person is wondering, how did I hear that this is not bad? This is good. Well, I know if this is what you can do on your first 20 take, well, I'm proud of you. So never, ever, choose to back out because you think your voice doesn't sound good or is not nice to the ears. Train your ears. I've taught you how to do all of these things. You are lazy, broke, and proud. Go back to the previous waves. I can never ever turn back. Oh, no. It's already too late. Oh. Yes, so my country people, this is now Audio Active Wave with Vinney Oxygen. And over here, we preach laziness, audio content creation, and faceless content. If you feel talk, you feel create anything. I don't tell you, see. Don't worry if your first 50 voiceovers or your audio recording shouldn't sound okay. Don't worry about it. It's gonna sound okay in the nearest future. Keep practicing. Keep keeping on. Don't ever say you wanna quit? You wanna what? You wanna give up? Bite your eye. If you have learned something in this wave, drop the wave emoji in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, and follow. I'll see you in my next wave. Wave off.